The inconvenience of a car breakdown can really throw a wrench in your day. You can expect to spend hours waiting for a towing service and for the mechanics to estimate the damage while you secure a rental car. Not to mention that all of these costs are coming out of your pocket. Did you know that 1 in 3 Americans do not have enough savings to cover an emergency vehicle expense of $2,000? This means that many car owners are not prepared for the unexpected mechanical or electrical repairs that lie ahead of them. Mechanical Breakdown Protection, or MBP, provides protection against costly repairs in the event of a covered mechanical or electrical failure of your vehicle. With MBP, car owners can have peace of mind that their vehicle is covered for those sudden car repairs so they can have more money for what they enjoy doing. Additional benefits include a free look period when an MBP package can be canceled with a full refund, 24-hour emergency towing and roadside assistance, and rental car reimbursement. Some additional options may include special electronic coverage, lift kit, or coverage for commercial use vehicles. Protect yourself and have peace of mind knowing your vehicle is covered with mechanical breakdown protection.